far enough from everybody. What are they? Different people, right?
Hello. It's like a war zone here. In a good way.
What? Who's doing that one?
It's crazy.
Neighbors from around the block.
The men boys are in the street lighting it. They're lighting it up.
Was Caleb okay?
Hi, Dawn. Run, Michelle. Oh, run. Okay, hold on.
Jesus, what a...
Oh,
Yeah!
I don't like this stuff.
More over there.
Oh, boy. Oh, God.
Down away! Oops. That's right, my fault.
Oh, baby.
Wow.
I know. Ours looks like,
So loud when you're right next to
Remember the time
the ground.
Hey, how are you? Say hi, Uncle Joe. Dawn's watching.
Hi, sweetie.
She said she got the poopy hearts tonight. Fireworks at Brittany.
Good, good. All
Aww.
right, see you later.
Say bye. Hi. Hi, Ooh. Oh, it's raining.
Oh, yeah.
On fire.
Hey.
I hate fireworks.
10,
Oh.
11, 12, 13.
Okay, I'm done. Yay! Woo! I'm gonna have post-traumatic stress syndrome after this. Oh my goodness. Oh! Now I know why my dog has anxiety.
Yeah.
Hi, look at these babies all calm and cool.
Say hello.
Jess, I need you to hold me. I'm scared. Aunt Diana. Say hi to Dawn.
It's gone.
Who is it?
It's Dawn. She can't.
She's on the other side.
Yeah, she can't talk. She's gonna come up in here, but she can see you.
Hi, sweetheart. How you doing?
Okay.
Hold on, give her a second. It's a hi, Mama.
Hi, Mama.
Aw. We miss you, Dawn. You
Yes,
need to
we
come
terribly.
Okay.
Terribly.
here. We miss you. Good. I love you, she says.
Oh, love you too, sweetie.
Aw, bye.
Bye-bye.
I miss you guys too. We miss you. Let me see who else.
Hold on. You got loud.
Hi, happy 4th. Where's Peyton?
He's inside with Caleb real quick. I have to do something.
What do you have to tell me?
Winston ate pie off the table. She's always.
Excuse me, Neil. Your dog ate pie off the table?
I caught him.
Caught him eating off the table? Will some? Oh God! They're doing it. Hold on. Oh! Okay. Let me just get under a tree. Okay. Oh look! You see? Oh wait, no, I gotta.
That may have been the best one.
I missed it. Hi, Starla. How are you? I'm outside trying not to have post-traumatic stress syndrome from the fireworks. My block is pretty packed. See that? I love it. I have the best block in the world. We're all friends. We all hang out. It's just awesome. I love it. And this is my little red house. Oh, thank you. I know, it's really hard to focus. Tell Noah Gideon says hi. Please, no, I don't know where he is. They're across the street. Okay, they're across the street. Somewhere in the mob. There they are, right there. Michelle is not home. Surprise, surprise. They're downtown. I don't want to go downtown. Let me see if I could get a... Woo! Woo! Yay! Woo! Let me turn this... Let me see. Oh, look how pretty. It's awesome. Everybody is doing a huge display tonight. Oh my goodness. I can't even focus. I'm so sorry for the poor quality. Because I can't focus. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? I love my vlog. It's a good old Southern block where we all stick together. I love it. It's a good old Southern block. So in New York, there's oh wow. Ooh. Hi guys. Come here. Come here. No. Say hi. Hi guys. This is Hannah, and this is her. And this is her friend. That's the boy that we were talking about last night.
That looked like
Yeah. See. Say hi to the world.
Hi, world.
Actually, there's only 5 people tuning in, but they know about you because I talked about you last night in Mommy Scopes. I did. I talked about you. Okay. Let's see what else is going on. Let's go down to the street. My neighbors are.
Just gonna check on the puppy real quick.
Yeah, go check on the puppies. No, boys. I know.
No? Whatever.
Yeah, there's someone like relaxing.
In general, they are.
Say hi, hon. He's ignoring me.
He's like, whatever.
Yeah.
How do you do that with Dawn? What is that?
App, and it's a live feed right now, and we are streaming live to whoever wants to tune in. And Dawn's tuning in right now. My friend Cindy's tuning in, and we can look to see how many people. Starla, Dawn, Lori, Heather, and Cindy are watching us right now. Say hi to my aunt. This is my aunt, the June Cleaver on steroids. This is her right now.
Hi there.
Yep. Hi. Say hi. Yeah, see? Oh, we're doing sparklers. We have sparklers for you guys too. You wanna? Oh, she's got. I have a bunch of sparklers in the house for you guys. I'd have them for you too if you lived here. I like to give people sparklers.
Sparkle, right? Sparkle.
Isn't that pretty?
That's cheap.
I love it.
Sparkle lights a sparkle, man.
Awesome. Does Grandpa want a sparkler? Oh, Katie has a sparkler.
Yay!
Hold on, Katie. Smile. What a big girl. Katie's got a sparkler.
When are we getting more fireworks?
We don't need any more fireworks. I think we did very well.
Just look up, you'll see one.
You know what?
I'm good. We don't need any more. There's like fireworks all over the place. It's like 143. I can't even like tune in. Oh, did you light another one or are you done?
All
Oh
right.
God. All right, hold on. Hold on.
Real quick, we're watching.
Don't let go.
Wait, I'm leaving.
Don't
Hold on.
I know.
Don't light them.
Are they going
Wait,
again?
oh, excuse me. Here we go. Hold on. Wait, I need a tree. Oh, look. Hi. What? Yeah, you're good. You're good to go. I just need to be. Okay, I just need to be by a tree. They're gonna light off the grand finale in a second, I think. They're still doing theirs. Isn't that awesome? I love it. Woo! Woo! Here we go! Yeah! Woo! Oh! 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 I don't like it. Oh! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Wonderful. Okay. Oh, they're still going. Wow. Wow. Oh, that was beautiful. Oh, that's amazing. Everyone's going off at once. Okay. Well, I think I'm going to end this. This was long enough. I don't know where we got the idea to celebrate independence and pretend like we're in a war zone. But hey, what the heck, right? We all join in on the fun. I'm going to end this. Have a magical evening, and I'll talk to you later. Happy 4th of July.